What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just want to give you a quick update. It's been a long time. I haven't done anything with you guys. It's been like almost 2 weeks. I was super busy with a lot of things going on for Christmas and for the holidays and all the shipments that I had to do. So I was really exhausted, but now I'm very slowing down. So I want to give you a quick update, what I've been doing, what I'm about to do, what I'm thinking about purchasing, what I'm purchasing right now, if I'm purchasing anything. At the same time, I'm going to tell you what's my plan going for 2021, what the things I'm going to be buying, what the things I'm keeping my eye on, and what's my plan right now from now until the new year, what I'm about to do, especially for sourcing. If you see around me, I don't have a lot of things, so I'm going to show you what I have. I'm going to show you the things I bought a little bit, and also then, if you stick to that, I'm going to show you my sales, what I have done, because a lot of people are asking me what I have been doing, how much you're making. And you know, if you're in my group, you know exactly how much I'm making, you know exactly the net profit. I share my SellerBoard with you, all my accounting software. I show you exactly how much I'm making, how much I'm selling every day, and what's going on. But at the same time, I want to give you a few ideas about what are the things that you need to look out. That especially now we're nearing the end of Q4 and things are slowing down, because Q4 is basically the time that we make the most of the money. But let's go ahead and show you exactly what I have, what I have left over, and we'll take it from there. Let's go. So guys, what I have here, if you see, I'm almost empty with everything. I have only like miscellaneous stuff, that's not a lot. If you see here on the top also, I don't have much. These ones I couldn't ship them just because my inventory limit for large size was 250, so I wasn't able to ship a lot. But now I can ship up to 150 more, so I'm going to go ahead tomorrow and ship these. These are really good products, especially the Black Friday specials or Cyber Monday specials. So what happened with these is, actually I bought a lot of them. I shipped some, as you know guys, I bought some online and some retail. So the ones that I bought retail arbitrage, I went to the store and I bought them. I send them in the same day they're selling. But now what happens, a lot of people are coming in and they're cutting you with the prices. So you need to be very strategic when you get Black Friday or Cyber Monday specials, or you be the first one to sell or the last one. So I shipped the things that I sold right now, and now I have few items there, but I'm gonna wait on these ones. So I'm gonna wait until I get really good, the price start going up. So when the supply diminishes, the demand stays the same, the price goes higher, just because there's a lot of people are selling them for really cheap, for really bad ROI. So I'm not gonna send them, I'm gonna keep them, especially the Black Friday or Cyber Monday. They're very hard for them to come back. It's the same thing with these, the same thing with this Legos. We used to get them for 40 bucks, and everyone now just making 70 bucks out of this investment. Is not something I would like to do. And also, if you guys know, I have a lot of these. I bought like almost 100 of them, so I have shipped some of them in. These are the ones I'm gonna keep up for, I still have business for next year. I still have to maintain some products, so I have these. Also, these are were the best thing I bought. I really bought them for 25 bucks. They're selling for 50 to 60, 70 bucks. When I first came in, it was 70 bucks. Now a lot of competition, so I'm making only 10 bucks of them. But I sent some. They're selling. I sold out. Now I have these, which is I'm gonna keep for later on. If you see here, I have nothing. I know it's very hard to see. Nothing here, honestly. These are supposed to be my old collection that I had for myself. I kept them here, but hopefully I'm gonna sell them. If you guys realize, I used to start selling some groceries, which is really doing well. I'm very happy about the groceries, and I think the groceries things are gonna do well for 2022. I'm gonna be diversifying my game, and I'm going to be doing a lot of groceries combining with toys. Since toys, they do very well during the whole year, and the recession proof and everything, but they slow down a bit. So to compensate that, and to compensate the amount of sales, because look, everyone is a hero right now. I'm a hero. I come to you, oh, look how much money I'm making, how much I'm selling. But actually the thing slows down to, like, usually the amount of sales that we make during Q4 is like 3 times the amount of sales we do in a regular month, and even sometimes even more. So you need to be very careful when you listen to people who are they just come. I'm telling you, all the gurus, they just come during the Q4 before it to show you how much their sales, but after that they're quiet, they're shy. Oh my God, I'm not gonna show them because they're not making much. But this is the business. I'm not here to fake you. I'm not here to do shit. I'm showing you exactly what I have, and I make a lot of money during Q4, but at the same time, I'm gonna sustain it for my the rest of the year. Now, as you guys know, I depend a lot on my private label, but this year, since retail and arbitrage, I started only as a a part-time. This time, hopefully this year, I'm gonna start doing it really full-time, except I need to make a vacation for 2 months. I might be going away. When I come back, I will take it back again and full swing. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to diversify my niches. But you always have, my recommendation is start with one niche, do it very, 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 very well before you jump into another niche. So me, I know toys very well. Now my chance to go ahead and do some the groceries. So the groceries, they're doing very well, and I think I'm gonna do very well next year. But I need to study it. I need to burn. I need to fail. I need to buy stuff and get stuck with them. But that's how you learn. And I'm gonna do it. So now what I'm doing exactly, I'm buying the things that are special editions. So I'm starting a new niche that I don't know. Even you, if you start with a new niche, you need to start with something that, hey, limited, not a lot of supply, something that only comes seasonal and goes away. So for example, these, they only come during the Christmas and after that they go away, but they're very good value. So I bought almost 100 of them. I sold a lot, and that's all what's left over. The same thing with these. I actually bought them. They only come for Q4 and then they go away. They do very well as well. I sold a lot of them. The same thing with these. They did very well for me. So for me, I'm getting with the stuff that's very special, but slow I'm gonna start getting into things that all around the year, the things that are more, you can say, regular commodity, stuff like that I'm gonna start doing. For example, you have those cereals. For example, this is regular things. So if you get them good special, that's regular things that you find all around the year. But let's say something like this. Something like this. These are limited edition. Look, limited edition. They come only during specific time of the year. If you buy this and you hold into them and the supply finishes around, with all the other sellers, you'll be able to sell them for a very good price. That's why I always recommend people who are starting this business, start with something very unique to save your money, to build the courage, build the experience before you get into something that really risky or something you don't know very well. So for example, I teach all the people that I have in my group about how to buy Legos, how to buy retired set of Legos that keep their value and you'll be able to flip them very well. You have to differentiate between investment and flipping. In Legos is you're gonna find a lot of videos out there. They tell you, oh, take it and wait for them 3 years. I'm not here to wait 3 years for products. I want to go ahead and flip them. So your strategy has to be a little bit investment and a little bit of flipping if you really want to go that route. For me, only flipping. And if I find something like, for example, this Falcon, Millennium Falcon is a $900. They go for $1,700-$1,800. This is going to be limited edition. Okay, I can spend money a little bit on that. But other than this, I need to be very careful with what you choose. So when you start with something like that, save, build yourself, and you'll be fine. And honestly, if you find something really good special, like 70-80%, you should be fine. But anyways, that's been said, if you see, I cleared up everything. And my strategy is, basically, I'm buying stuff that are really unique. So for example, this advent calendar is only Q4 and then they go away. These I used to buy them $29.99. They went to $24.99. Now they're $14. So I bought a lot of them $14. Trust me, after Christmas, these will be maybe $9 or $7. So I stock up with them. See, I have here also some. So I'm gonna keep some for next year. And also these, during the year, they do very well. So if you check Kiba, you'll see they sell slowly. Since they're limited supply, they only come during Q4, you will make good money during the year because you'll be the only one or one of the few who has this kind of stuff. The same thing I did with these. These, I only buy something special. I'm not buying anything right now. I'm gonna wait for Boxing Day. I'm gonna wait for the specials. I'm gonna wait for the store start doing a big discounts after the Q4. Now there's no specials. Now everyone wants to sell for very big prices. So this one, there's a special, as I guys teach you in our group, that hey, this stuff like this, like Playmobil, when you buy them from Walmart, this is $85 regular price. And the website, on Walmart websites, you get these stuff for, sometimes they have flash sale. So I got them for $29. So I bought 5 of them. Even if I sell them at $85 regular price, competing with Amazon, I'm still gonna be making money. So I'm buying only special things that are really, really, really solid or very, very big special. I'm buying stuff like this, Pokemon, that's only unique stuff. Okay, that's it. But for now, my plan is to wait for Boxing Day. But before that, hold a second. Let me show you here. It's a mess. So I need to do a lot of cleaning. That's why I told you guys Q4. This all empty. This all retail arbitrage boxes that I need to clean up all this mess that I have. but I'm taking some rest. I need to take some rest because I'm really tired, exhausted. I've been really grinding really hard and really worth it. But now what I want to tell you, my plan is moving forward. I'm gonna wait for Boxing Day. If there's sales, I'm gonna inject as much money as I can. If they're really good sales that even I can compete with Amazon, even if they have regular prices. Also, January, when after the 15th of January, you're gonna see all Walmart, everything, they're gonna do a lot of specials, and that's the time I'm gonna buy things at 70, 60, 80%, and I'm gonna keep them. Now, I'm not buying only Christmas stuff. If you wanna buy Christmas stuff, like after Christmas Eve, 25th, 26th, sorry, everything is gonna be on sale, like 90% off on Christmas items. If you do that, make sure you need to store them because they're not gonna sell until next year. So you need to make sure that it's very nice to get 90%, but how much is it gonna cost to store these things? For how long you're gonna store them until you make your money, and if that's really suitable. So for example, if you have a storage, and let's say that costs you, let's say $1,000, how much is that gonna cost you? How much square feet you're gonna take from your storage, and how much that's gonna be per month? And is it worth it for you to keep this kind of stuff? So you need to pay attention to this stuff. Not always good when you see the 90%. Me, I'm gonna buy a lot of toys. So these toys all around the year, and I'm gonna be able to save some for next year. And also at the same time, you know, the whole year I'm gonna be selling some. If I sell maybe 20 units of the same item, maybe I sell 2. I'm okay with it, but I'm gonna be diversifying. I'm gonna go really wide. So my plan is just buy things right now. It's gonna be slowing. I'm not buying anything. Only if I find good specials. Wait for Boxing Day. Wait for the New Year's specials, and also next year, January, mid-January and forward, you're gonna find a lot of specials, and that's the only time I'm gonna buy. And also, a pro tip: if you buy things after January or mid-January and after, don't buy everything in the same January, the same time, because, for example, they will go do a special. Let's say this is after January, not this one. Let's say a regular toy. Let's say, for example, this one. Now it sells for $30. The stores, they don't reduce the price to the final price. What they're gonna do, they're gonna do gradual sale. So instead of 30, they're gonna put it at 20 bucks. And you're like, oh my God, 20 bucks is really good. You go ahead and buy all of them. But you will see the week after, they go for 15 bucks. And the week after, they go for 9 bucks. So what I recommend, what I learned is dollar cost average buying your stuff. So the average of your purchases will be a good average. And don't buy all at the same time. That's what I recommend you to do, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, I know you all guys waiting for the sales. Meg, you have the phone. I'm gonna show you my phone. I'll show you the sales on my app and see what's up. I'm just waiting for my wife to upload it. So I have here some also Pokemon, which is I'm keeping, and also these stuff I'm gonna keep a lid on. So this are the sales, guys. We are $120,000 per month so far. We have 19%, more than last year, 62% more than the last 30 days, which is really awesome. And this is how much we're making. These are the sales. We're averaging days between $4,000 to $5,000. I'm really happy with that. And let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Okay, that's refreshed, so you see it's not fake. This is exactly what it is. Now, don't feel like I'm a hero or anything. I make really good money every month, but during the regular month, that really goes low. And after, when I showed my numbers and went through all the 2021 data that I have, I found out that I have May, June, July, and August were very bad months for me. Were very low. I wasn't doing much. I was doing like $20,000-$30,000 only per month because of inventory limit issues. They cut my inventory limit by a lot. They were only I was only allowed to send only 500 units instead of 3,000 units. So it really hurt me. But we get through it. We were able to sell some Legos, came up with the new strategies, and we were able to do well. But this year, hopefully, we're not gonna have these issues. Hopefully, all this, you know, the stuff that's happening now with the sickness and blah 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 will be going away, and we'll be able to manage that all around the year. Now, unfortunately for me, I might have 2 months downturn because I'm going to be going to visit my family in another country. So that's why I'm going to take 2 months off. That's going to hurt my business. But hey, my family is more important. All what I'm doing here, I'm making good money, so I'll be able to afford it. But it's going to affect my 2022 year and the revenue I'm making. So that's been said, as a part-time, it's really doing very well. I'm very happy about it. And guys, I really recommend you to do it. If you like this video, you like this kind of videos, how I do them, please let me know in the comments. If you like it, hit the like button. If you really love it, subscribe. And if you have any comment, leave it in the comments below. And hopefully I'll get a video before the new year to talk about visions and goals, and what my vision and goal for 2022. Take care, everybody. I love you, and have yourself a great holiday. Take care, everybody.